Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's obviously been a hot minute since I've been on camera, since I filmed a video, since I've uploaded a video, since I've talked to you guys. A lot has been going on. I know I've been super MIA for 5 months. I've been gone for 5 months. There's a lot to talk about. We're also gonna do this makeup look while we're chatting. So if you guys want to know what went down in my 5 months, just keep on watching. Okay. I'm shaking. Alright. So, I posted my video. We're going back 5 months. I posted my video and life happened, and obviously you can't stop life. It just happened. A lot of you guys know what I'm talking about, and for those of you that don't, I am pregnant. I am 5 months pregnant, almost 6, and the truth is I filmed the video, my last video, where I wasn't feeling myself. I just wasn't feeling like I wanted to film anymore. I was feeling really down and depressed, and to be honest, I thought that that's what it was. Well, that same day I uploaded the video, I took a pregnancy test,
and I was pregnant.
I am having a healthy, thank God, baby girl, and she is due in June. So for some of you guys that
are pregnant, have been pregnant, know someone that has been pregnant, everyone, 100%.
You guys might know the side effects. Side effects sometimes is that the first trimester you're exhausted, you're tired, you don't want to do anything, you want to sleep, you want to eat, okay? So for me, I wanted to sleep, I could not eat. I barfed everywhere, all the time. So I didn't want to come back and be nauseous, and I was just tired, I wasn't feeling myself. My child was taking over my body, which is totally normal, but I was super tired. I just wanted to feel myself again before I started making these videos. So that's the tea. The tea is I'm pregnant. But enough is enough. This is the look I came up with today. This was out of my subscription box. I do Tribe Beauty Box. It's bi-monthly. So today I am doing a review on my palette that I got in it. It's the Block Party by Suva Beauty. I believe I have a couple of swatches because this is the first time I've used it. As you guys may see, I have already laid down a color in my eye.
Just as I said, this was an impulse. I didn't know I was going to be filming.
So the first color that we're going to grab is going to be Lemonade, which is that beautiful yellow, and that is going to go as our transition shade. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some more on that same brush and look up. I'm going to drag it on my under eye. And now that I have that yellow on the bottom as well, we're going to move forward. This is the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered Brush. The color that we're going to grab from this palette is going to be this Dancing Shoes navy blue. That is going to go right in our crease, but we're going to concentrate it more on the outer corner of our eye.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Now that it's looking super rough like this, we're going to grab our brush, our fluffy brush, which we grabbed Lemonade. No more product, and I'm just going to blend out those edges. The color is going to change, that's totally fine. We will go ahead and pack in some more. So it's looking pretty blended. And now I'm going to go grab some more of Dancing Shoes and pack it on some more.
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Back in with our first brush.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Grabbing that same brush, no extra product, we're gonna drag it under our eye as well.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to
Moving on, grabbing on my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. We're gonna go ahead and go into the color Boombox right here. And now we're gonna place that right on top of the blue, a little bit lower, just so we don't get it all up in our blended area. Again, drag under your eye.
and we'll grow in
We're gonna go back in with our Fair brush and blend out one more time.
reason. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. For that, I am going to be using the little tapered brush that comes in your Olimar Cosmetics Volume 1 set. It doesn't have a specific name, and if it did, it's gone now. The concealer for that is going to be my Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Light Sand. And you guys already know I'm going to grab a little bit, dab it on the back of my hand, and go ahead and start carving.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The color that I'm going to use to set that is out of my Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Holy Grail palette. The color that I am going to be using is Thanks a Latte. Thanks a lot right here. I'm going to grab that using the Luxie 213 eye shading brush. So I'm just going to pat it into that color and just lay it on my concealer.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
That's the only shade that I'm going to be using out of a different palette. You do not have to use this palette. It can be any neutral shade that's matte that you like. Going back into our block party, I am going to go ahead and go back into Dancing Shoes with my Luxie 121 brush. Just going to grab a little bit, and I'm going to start putting that in the outer corner and flicking inward. Now going back in with my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush in the shade Boombox. We're going to do the same thing, place it and flick it. The next brush I am going to grab is going to be my Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush, and I'm going to dip that into the shade Mixtape right here. And then instead of doing it back here like the other colors, I'm going to bring it a little bit forward because we want to be able to see it.
Miss a beat, and on we'll go.
Alright.
Now grabbing my Luxie 111 brush in Mini Flat Angled, I'm going to pick up Lemonade, which is again that beautiful yellow, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner.
And on we'll go.
Alright, so the last step that I have to do to finish this look is go ahead and apply wing liner, mascara, and highlight, and I will be right back. Alright, I am back. I love it so much, I love it so much. I really, for some reason, I really loved the pop of yellow. Okay, this is my final look, guys. I really enjoyed talking to you guys, filming this. I'm really nervous, I'm pregnant, and out of breath, as you guys can see in most of my video. But if you guys like my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you would like me to start my what is left of my pregnancy journey, or if you guys would like me to talk about how I told my husband. I love makeup. Now I'm a mom. Just mix those together and you'll come up with me. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.